hello, my talented artists. So everybody should have a sketchbook that is attached in some way. I stapled mine, but there are other ways that you can connect it in the center. You could poke holes in it. It should be connected in some way. If you don't have it, that's what you should do. Make sure that you have a sketchbook. So I want you to open up your sketchbook to the very first page, and I want you to draw an oval on the very first page and write your name inside. Write your name inside that oval, and then you are going to think of 5 or 6 things that you like or that describe you. So, let me think about this. I'm Artie. Teacher. I like chicken. I'm a mom and I like creative writing. So, once you have written 5 or 6 things that, or more, that describe you or that you like, it could be your favorite color, it could be your favorite animal, your favorite food, then I want you on the next page to draw a picture of yourself in an oval, and then I want you to use these words and try to draw symbols for them all around, the picture of yourself. So I might draw something arty here, maybe paintbrush or some paints, and then maybe, what could I draw for a teacher? I don't know, I have to think about that. Maybe a pencil and ruler? Chicken, that's easy. I can draw a chicken. Creative writing, maybe a paper with writing on it or a book. And then me, mom, maybe me and my 3 kids. I want you to draw a symbol, a little picture of all the things that describe you. Ta-da! That is your job. So once you have your words and your pictures, I want you to decide what you want to use for your cover and then decorate your cover with those pictures along with your name. So on your cover should be your name and 5 things you like. And I don't want the words. I want a little symbol or a picture of 5 things you like. So if you want to and you are bigger, you could do it when you're small too. You can also write sketchbook. So I'm going to write, I think sketchbook is 1 word, but I didn't have enough room. So I'm going to write Mrs. Cairns, that's me, apostrophe, because it's mine, sketchbook, and then I'm going to draw all my pictures around here. And that's what I want. Oops, looks like that chicken's tongue is sticking out. That's a little silly. Okay, and I'll work on that now, just like you guys are going to.